If I give you one banana today, it will feed you once. But if I give you a banana tree, it will feed you for life. That's the difference between saving money and investing money. Stay till the end, because this banana might change how you see money for. What is investing? Imagine you have 10 bananas. You have 3 choices. 1. Eat all bananas today. Enjoy now, but tomorrow equals 0 bananas. 2. Keep bananas under your bed. After some days, bananas rot. This is like saving cash without investing. Inflation eats your money. 3. Plant bananas. Takes time. Needs patience. But soon, 100 bananas. This is investing. You use your bananas, money, to create more bananas, wealth. 1. Bank saving, safe but slow. You give bananas to a very safe monkey bank. After 1 year, they return 11 bananas. Low risk. Very slow growth. 2. Stock market, risky banana farm. You give bananas to a farmer. Some years, you get 20 bananas, other years, you lose 3 bananas. High return long term. Short term ups and downs. 3. Real estate, banana shop. You open a banana shop. People pay you rent every month. Regular income. Asset grows. Needs big bananas at start. 4. Business/crypto, wild banana jungle. You enter a jungle. 1 lucky banana becomes 100 bananas. Or eaten by monkeys. Very high reward. Very high risk. Biggest mistake people make. Waiting for more bananas before investing. Fear of losing bananas. Wanting fast bananas overnight. Truth. People don't fail in investing because they are poor. They fail because they are impatient. Power of time. If you plant 1 banana tree today, after 10 years banana forest. But if you wait 10 years to plant, you stay hungry longer. Time plus patience equals wealth. Final message. Rich people don't eat all their bananas. Poor people don't plant theirs. Smart people do both. Start small. Stay consistent. Let your bananas grow. If this banana story helped you understand investing, like this video. Subscribe for more money stories. And comment, how many bananas will you plant today?